Firecracker chicken recipe. One of my favorite dishes at my local Chinese restaurant is called firecracker chicken. It's spicy and sweet all at the same time. I liked it so much that I worked at developing my own recipe at home. The nice thing about this recipe is that it works equally well with beef and pork. I like a recipe that is versatile and easy to do. This recipe also features a classic oil and spice mixture. Spices always work well with oils because oil absorbs the flavor and delivers it to the food. Ingredients: 1 pound chicken breast, chopped in bite-sized pieces, 1/2 yellow onion chopped, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 4 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon crushed red pepper, 1 teaspoon 5 spices powder, 3 teaspoons sriracha sauce, 2 teaspoons yellow Chinese mustard, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon rosemary, 2 teaspoons soy sauce, 2 teaspoons teriyaki sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar. Instructions: stir spices into oil until well blended together and fragrant. Begin sauteing onions and chicken in medium heated wok. When onion is clear, spread oil mixture over chicken and wok until well done. Serve warm with rice.